Milkshakes are my favorite way to have some refreshing drink at the comfort of my home because they are always delicious. And because it's mango season, I'm going to be showing you how to make mango milkshake, which is going to turn out creamy and delicious. For this recipe, you'll need some ice cream, mangoes, and cold milk. So you're going to start off by cutting your mangoes. So I'm going to pick a sharp knife, cut the sides just like this. As you can see, my mango is very ripe on the inside and it smells so good. So I'm going to use my knife and cut diagonally just like this. And then I'm going to tilt my mango and cut once more. Then using a spoon, I'm going to scoop out the pulp of my mango and transfer to my blender. Cut the next side, then you're going to repeat by dicing your mango just like this. Grab my spoon and transfer in the mango into the blender. Super easy. Add in your milk. I'm going to be adding in 4 scoops of ice cream. Cover my blender and blend until smooth. Done blending, the milkshake is going to be looking so creamy and delicious. If you notice that your mangoes are not too sweet, you can add in a tablespoon or 2 of sugar to sweeten up your milkshake. But because mine is perfect, I'm ready to serve. When your mango milkshake is ready, it's going to be looking sweet, creamy, and delicious. I've just dabbed the milkshake with a mint leaf, which also has added in some color. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try and enjoy sipping on your milkshake.